Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making rice pudding. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of short grain rice, 1/4 cup of cooking cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, pinch of salt, and a drop of vanilla extract. Add all your ingredients to cooking pot. Stir well to combine and bring to boil on medium heat while stirring continuously. Once it started boiling, transfer to a very low heat. Give it some stirs, then cover and leave to steam for 25 to 30 minutes. Here we are after 25 minutes of cooking. Give it some final stirs and leave to cool for 5 minutes. Rice pudding is ready to serve. You can serve it hot or cold. Just be sure it doesn't exceed 3 days. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas in advance.